Menu contains all the tools and commands out there, so let's look what's inside. Sometimes it's better to use search to find some tools, because not all of the tools and commands are located in the categories, but some of them are. So let's see what do we have here. We have search, for example, we want to, I don't know, cut something. What do we see? Account shortcuts, the charts, something. You see it works. There are a lot of tools and commands out there. So we see a file menu, we can create something, save something, edit. Some of the tools are available only if you select something as edit. Of course, you have to select something and then you can use these tools. View, object, vector, you can arrange something, you can use some plugins. We will cover plugins later. You see there are a lot of them over here, but when you start, your plugin will be empty because you won't have any of them, but we will learn which of them are useful for our tasks. There are some integrations, preferences, and some others. So actually, if you don't know where to find some tool or command, but if you are sure that it should be there in Figma, you can use this search menu. And let's look at one setting that is actually very useful for us, because it's very useful when you create banners. It is located in view and it says pixel preview. We enabled it. Actually, you can find it right here as well. As you see, pixel preview 1x or disabled, or 2x. We will use 1x. What does it mean? Figma is a vector editor, and when you disable it, you see all the shapes and fonts are very beautiful. But if you set pixel preview, it will be like this. Why it's important for us? Because when you save your banners, and some of them are pretty small, for example, mobile Google banner 300 by 50 pixels. If you put a lot of text over there, it will be like this. So let's copy this text and make it like 8. So you see it's not readable. But if you disable pixel preview, it's perfect. So as you see, this is a very useful command for us. And remember that all these settings are applied only to the file that you work right now. So I have two files over here, and this setting will apply only to this file.